Hello! In this short video, I'll show you how to find your lost books. So from the launch page of LS2, you'll go to Cataloging, and then you'll go to Advanced up in the right-hand corner. My internet is super slow today. Sorry about this. Advanced. And then go to Item Status. And then from the drop-down menu, scroll down a little bit until you find Lost. Add another parameter and select your school. It generated Jefferson for me. And then search. And here are the lost books that we need to find or delete from our inventory. All right. Hope you have a great day. Thanks.